Welcome to this presentation on the iEducate project. My name is Pete Stevens, I'm the project manager. iEducate aims to improve vocational learning through technology. iEducate is a transfer of innovation project under the Leonardo Lifelong Learning Programme. It started in October 2009 and runs up until September 2011. We have a number of outcomes in the project. We have an accredited e-learning course, we have a virtual teach training island that we've produced in Second Life. We have a website full of resources with audio, video and downloadable resources for educators. We have some live training courses which are taking place across Europe. We've produced a course handbook on learning technologies, and we also have a number of themes that run throughout the project. These are culture and heritage, media, language and communication, self-employment and entrepreneurship, and disabilities and ICT. The project draws on a number of innovations developed in European and other projects which were originally developed for and with learners to vocational education and training professionals, also known as vet pros, across Europe. In return for the training and support given, we asked vet pros to provide ideas of how they've implemented technologies to enhance their teaching, and thus forming a cycle of continuous exchange and transfer across Europe. The four thematic areas of the project provide resources which are developed by experts in their respective fields. These resources are available for all vet pros. We've also organised a number of live events based on each theme which are presented across Europe. The results and resources are also published through the iEducate website, which is www.ieducate.eu. And we've also placed the resources on our teacher training island in Second Life, which you can find more details about on the website. The Culture and Heritage theme looks at how archives and museums can best exploit new technologies and Web 2.0 in order to reach a new and broader public. We also look at how archives and museums can produce digital exhibitions in an affordable way. We've produced a module in our e-learning course and also a section of our live training course which looks at culture and heritage in more detail and helps small organisations create their own digital exhibitions. As part of our media, language and communication theme, we've created a number of e-learning materials that help students to get to know the technical usage of media tools and also various media skills such as oral practices, radio skills and masterstrokes. We've also created publications to how to set up an internet radio station which vet pros can use to develop their own resources. On our website you'll also find a number of programmes produced in conjunction with the iEducate project which cover various areas such as e-learning, digital exhibitions, Second Life, podcasts, net radio and various Web 2.0 applications. Just go to www.ieducate.eu. ICT for people with disabilities means both the technologies that are available and also how standard technologies can be adapted for people with disabilities. Our partner in Bulgaria, Future 21 Century Foundation, has provided various ICT courses for hundreds of people with different disabilities. The combination of advanced technologies for e-learning and the experience of teaching people with disabilities will support other vet pros to make their courses available for people with disabilities. The self-employment and entrepreneurship theme investigates ways in which new technologies can be brought into the curriculum that will aid in the teaching of self-employment and entrepreneurship. It also identifies a range of technologies and trends that are changing the way that businesses work. We have created a virtual teach training island which is available in Second Life. We use this both as a showcase for virtual teaching and also as a practical tool for educators to use. We explore media usage in a virtual world, and we also have a number of training areas and seminar rooms which any vet pro across Europe can use to present. If you would like to take advantage of this opportunity, then please contact us using the details available later in this presentation, or go to the website www.iEducate.eu. Our e-learning course covers both the approaches to e-learning and developing a pedagogically sound e-learning course. The course is accredited in the UK under NCFE, but is available for all vet pros across Europe. It's suitable both with those with little or no knowledge in developing e-learning, or those wishing to formalise their existing knowledge and gain accreditation in the subject of e-learning. We're teaching it through a blended learning approach, which will consist of e-learning, self-study, online tutorials and online peer-to-peer learning. If you would like to know more about the course, please contact Pete at iEducate.eu. We're hosting live training events across Europe, covering various areas of learning technologies and also covering specific areas of the themes mentioned earlier. In recent sessions we've covered disabilities in ICT, including the talking tactile tablet technology. We've produced web quests with vet pros, and we've done introductions to Second Life. The project website has lots of information about the project itself, the partners, and also a number of downloadable resources. We also host lots of audio files and video collected from the internet and produced within the project. If you'd like to find out more, go to www.ieducate.eu. iEducate is delivered by a partnership of 6 organisations across Europe: eLearning Studios, a division of Research House UK, Knowing Hand, Future 21 Century Foundation, Tinter Education, Civil Radio, and Visamar Educational Institute. Please use the details on screen to contact specific partners, or you can contact myself, Pete Stevens, on pete@e-learningstudios.com. Thank you for your time.